Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Windows 10 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the maximum capacity for RAM on your computer. So this can be useful if you're upgrading the RAM on your computer, maybe you're adding more RAM, and you want to make sure that you don't go over how much your computer can actually use. Now, if you're also trying to find out how much RAM your computer currently has or the speed of that RAM, check the description. I will have a tutorial covering that in the future, but right now we're just going to see the maximum capacity of your current computer. So the first thing we need to do to get started is open up Command Prompt, and we can do that by selecting the Start button in the bottom left, and then just type CMD, and you'll see Command Prompt come up. Go ahead and open that up. Now that we have Command Prompt open, it's very easy. We just need to type one line of text, and then it will give us the maximum capacity, and I'll add that to the screen. So what we need to type is WMIC space MEMPHYSICAL space get space max capacity. All right, so now we hit enter and you'll be given back your results for your maximum capacity. And this is a very large number. This is going to be in kilobytes. So what we need to do is copy that text. So highlight it, then you can just copy it. If we open up the calculator on our computer, we can paste that in, and then we just need to divide by 1024 and keep doing that until you get to a nice round number like 32, 16, 8, 4, something like that. So as you can see, my computer, the maximum capacity of RAM for it is going to be 32 gigabytes. All right, so that's how you find out the maximum capacity for RAM that is supported by your computer's motherboard. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Windows 10 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.